In the timeless words of Marcus Aurelius, "When you arise in the morning, think of what a precious privilege it is to be alive, to breathe, to think, to enjoy, to love." This sentiment encapsulates the Stoic appreciation for life, a philosophy that transcends time and offers profound insights into leading a purposeful and resilient existence. Today, we present a morning routine steeped in the wisdom of Stoicism, designed to set the tone for a day of tranquility and purpose. Habit number 1. Reflect on the transient nature of life. Begin your day by immersing yourself in the profound understanding of the impermanent nature of all things. Visualize the vast expanse of the universe, acknowledging the brevity of our existence. This practice serves as a poignant reminder to prioritize each day, fostering a deeper sense of purpose and gratitude. Habit number 2. Journal your thoughts. Embark on an intimate conversation with yourself through the act of journaling. Record your thoughts, dreams, and reflections. Cultivate gratitude by listing 3 things you genuinely appreciate. Engage in self-reflection, pondering Stoic principles, and set an intention for the day, aligning with virtues such as wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. Habit number 3. Set daily intentions, not goals. Distinguish between goals and intentions, focusing on the latter as present moment anchors rooted in personal values. Rather than fixating on external outcomes, ask yourself, who do I intend to be today? These intentions become your moral compass, guiding decisions and actions throughout the day. Habit number 4. Embrace discomfort. Challenge the modern pursuit of constant comfort by introducing deliberate discomfort. From cold showers to skipping familiar routines, these acts fortify the spirit, cultivate resilience, and remind us of our innate strength. Embracing discomfort is not punishment, it's empowerment and a step towards true freedom. Habit number 5. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Align Stoicism with mindfulness by grounding yourself in the present moment. Dedicate time for mindfulness or meditation, focusing on your breath and sensations. Detach from thoughts and emotions, fostering a mental fortress of equanimity. This practice enhances awareness, discerning between external events and internal responses. Habit number 6. Revisit Stoic teachings. Immerse yourself in the timeless wisdom of Stoic teachings every morning. Choose passages from Stoic texts intentionally, reflecting on their relevance to your life. Journal your reflections, transforming these teachings into a personal doctrine. Stoicism is not just about understanding, it's about embodying wisdom in daily actions. Habit number 7. Practice Amor Fati. Embrace the Stoic principle of Amor Fati, the love of one's fate. Rather than passively accepting circumstances, passionately love and embrace whatever life brings. Visualize challenges as necessary components of your journey, opportunities for growth and gratitude. Let Amor Fati be your compass, guiding you through life's uncertainties with love and resilience. Incorporate these Stoic practices into your morning routine, allowing them to transform your days and, ultimately, your life. Stoicism isn't about suppressing emotions but understanding the nature of existence, focusing on what's within your control, and cultivating inner peace. As Marcus Aurelius wisely noted, the best revenge is not to be like your enemy. Let Stoicism be a fluid, adaptive philosophy, transforming your mornings, days, and, most importantly, your life.